Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. You can solve your question by two methods. First, graphical method. Second, algebraical method. By graphical method, firstly you find two solutions of each equation, then plot it on Cartesian plane. In this way you can solve your question very easily. By algebraical method, there are three types of algebraical method. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. If a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, no solution and inconsistent system. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line, infinitely many solution and consistent dependent system. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Question. Solve the following equation by graphical method and by algebraical method. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. It is first equation. And 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is second equation. You solve equation first and equation second by graphical method and by algebraical method. Clear? For a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Form is clear, no confusion. Here equation two x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. It is first equation. Second equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is second equation. Here a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. a1 means 2, b1 means 1. Here you can write 1. b1 means 1, c1 means minus 6. a2 means 4, b2 means minus 2, c2 means minus 4. It is clear? Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 6. a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 2, c2 equal to minus 4. You find a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 by the help of equation first and by the help of equation second. Clear? Here a1 by a2 equal to a1 means 2, a2 means 4. You can cut it. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja equal to 1 by 2. You find a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 equal to, here b1 means 1, b2 means minus 2, minus 2. You find a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equal to 1 by minus 2. Hence a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2 or 1 by 2 not equal 1 by minus 2. It is clear. a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2 or 1 by 2 not equal 1 by minus 2. It shows intersecting line. Unique solution. Unique solution. Consistent system. a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2 shows intersecting line, unique solution and consistent system. You can solve your question by two methods. Method graphical method. First, graphical method. Second, algebraical method. Second, algebraical method. You can solve your question by two methods. First, graphical method. Second, algebraical method. Algebraical methods are three types. First, substitution method. Clear? Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. Three methods are clear. No confusion about it. Very good. By graphical method. Solution by graphical method. by graphical method. Firstly, we find two solution of each equation. Equation first is 2x plus 1y minus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus 1y minus 6 equal to 0. xy is your coordinate. Here you put the value of y is 0. It becomes 0. Here put the value of x 3. It becomes 3 to just 6. Plus 6 minus 6 become 0. It means it is satisfy your question. Your coordinate is 3, 0. Next, here put 0. Value of x 0. It become 0. And here put 6. It become 6. Plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. It means it is satisfy equation first. Your coordinate is 0 and 6. Next equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is equation second. Find two solution of equation second. xy. Clear? Here you put the value of y 0. It becomes 0. Here put 1. Value of x is 1. It becomes plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. It means it is satisfy equation second. Your coordinate 1 and 0. It is your coordinate. Put the value of x 0. It becomes 0. Here put minus 2. Value of y minus 2. It becomes minus 2 multiply minus 2. Become plus 4. Plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. It means it is satisfy your question. Your coordinate is 0 minus 2. You find two solution of each equation. Now plot it on Cartesian plane. Plot it. Plot it on Cartesian plane. Plot it on Cartesian plane. Clear? Here it is Cartesian plane. X dash, y dash is Cartesian plane. Here intersecting point. X dash is called abscissa. Abscissa. X dash is abscissa. Y dash is ordinate. Clear? Intersecting point of abscissa and ordinate is called origin. It is origin. Now plot all points on Cartesian plane. It is first quadrant. it is second quadrant, it is third quadrant, and it is fourth quadrant. Sign of first quadrant plus plus. Here sign of second quadrant plus minus. Sign of third quadrant minus minus. Sign of fourth quadrant plus minus. Clear? Plot 3 and 0. 3 at abscissa on positive direction. Here 1, 2, 3. 0 at origin. It means your point 30 is here. Here 30 point A. Clear? Plot 0, 6. 0 at origin, 6 at ordinate on positive direction. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 0, 6. Point B. Now join point A to B. Join it. It is according to equation first. Equation first is 2x plus 1y minus 6. 2x plus 1y minus 6 equal to 0. It is equation first. Now plot 1 and 0. 1 means at abscissa on positive direction. Here 1, 0 at origin. It means 1, 0 is here. 1, 0 point C. Now plot 0 and minus 2. 0 at origin, minus 2 at ordinate on negative direction. Clear? Negative direction. 1, 2. Here is your point 0 and minus 2. Point D. Now join C to D. Here and produce it. This line is according to equation second. Here second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation second. You plot all points on Cartesian plane and find the intersecting point E. Here E. Coordinate of intersecting point E is 2 and 2. Here 2 at abscissa on positive direction, 2 at ordinate on positive direction. 2 and 2. Your question clear? No confusion about it? In this way you can solve any question very easily. Coordinate of intersecting point. Here it shows a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2 or 1 by 2 not equal 1 by minus 2. It means it shows intersecting line. Intersecting line. Here line AB and CD are intersecting line which intersect at point E. Coordinate 2 and 2. Consistent system and unique solution. Coordinate of intersecting point is 2 and 2. Hence coordinate of intersecting point. Coordinate 2 and 2. Answer. You plot all points on Cartesian plane and you find coordinate of intersecting point 2, 2 of intersecting line AB and CD. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good.